We're making puri bread, an Indian flatbread based on durum wheat flour in K1. After forming the dough, rolling it out and cutting it to the desired shape, we're going to fry it in cast iron skillets filled with sufficient amount of oil for them to float. Dip the leading edge of a piece of bread into the oil and see if it begins to bubble. That's an indication that the oil is hot enough to cook in. Once you see the bubbles, you can release the bread into the fat. What you should observe is, if the dough has been made properly, it will begin to puff up as it browns. A well-made puri will be a hollow disc. There, it just finished puffing, but you'll also notice that the bubbles around the edges have more or less subsided, which means that it is brown and cooked on one side, and then we flip it over and allow it to brown and continue cooking on the other side until the bubbles subside again, which would indicate that the flip side now is finished cooking. It's almost there, we're not quite, just another couple of seconds. A lot of the bubbles have subsided so that the oil doesn't leak into the hollow center. Now we'll remove it using a slotted spoon or a slotted spatula, and we'll place it with some dry paper towels to absorb the excess oil. What I want you to notice is the finished shape of this product. It is more like a saucer or a disc, and the interior is hollow. It's puffed up due to the pressure built up from the steam inside the dough pressing out onto the crispy exterior. So that is what we should end up with, a deep fried piece of dough that is puffed up, hollow in the center, crunchy on the outside.